In today's video, I have selected a bunch of jeans outfit ideas, all organized by color to make things super easy to follow. We're starting with gray jeans, then moving into black jeans, and finishing with classic blue denim. Each color has its own vibe. Gray looks minimal and soft, black feels sleek and polished, and blue denim is timeless. You really can't go wrong with it. And while we go through these outfits, I'll also talk about the biggest 2026 jeans trends, so you'll know exactly what's coming for the new year. Straight leg jeans. One of the biggest trends continuing into 2026 is straight leg jeans. They're honestly the most wearable style for everyday life. The trend this year is all about cleaner lines, soft fabrics, almost no distressing, and a natural ankle length cut. Straight legs look great with every color. Gray for chill outfits, black for a sharper feel, and blue for that classic easy style. Wide leg jeans. Wide leg jeans are becoming one of the major silhouettes for 2026, but they're more structured this time. Not overly big, just a nice long leg shape that still feels relaxed. Gray wide legs give a cool, modern vibe. Black wide legs look chic and slightly dressy. And blue wide legs are perfect for casual weekends or running errands while looking put together. Skinny jeans. Yep, skinny jeans are quietly making a comeback in 2026, just in a softer, comfier way. Think more stretch, better fabric, and a clean ankle opening. They look especially good with boots. Black skinny jeans always look sharp. Gray skinny jeans make your outfit feel lighter, and blue skinnies are still a dependable classic. Denim on denim. Denim sets are also trending big in 2026. Matching denim jackets with denim jeans, gray with gray, black with black, or classic blue on blue. The look this year is much cleaner, less distressing, less heavy washing, and more simplicity. It's very wearable and surprisingly classy when done right. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more outfit inspiration.